This is September 6th, a Thursday, and I just want to talk through the case object on the slab kiosk Avanti process. So the operator enters the RMA, it goes into Salesforce on the case object, right? You have to do the manual lookup. The record type is Avanti. This is what controls the whole process. You have to look up, the address is correct because the address is pulled off of the 7-digit code, like 1115-001. But basically, you look it up, you replace the Avanti account, master account, with the operator account. There are 300 possibilities. That's the step 2. Then you press FedEx ship, right? Where FedEx then generates a label and it's automatically sent to the operator email provided on the Avanti operator form. When you change the status to label sent to operator on the case status, and everything is run off the case status, Process Builder triggers an email action and Jason and Sharon will get the same label again as requested. Then, as the thing ships through, and there are a lot that are just blank, they never submitted any info to, shipping info sent to FedEx. It then gets updated via Process Builder on the case status. So in transit, on FedEx vehicle, delivered. It's not us putting into Salesforce, it's delivered. It's FedEx through Zencraft that it updates, and I build a Process Builder to update the case status to that. This is the inbound process. On the outbound process, currently there's no tracking, and I need your guidance. Thank you.